Today we're diving into the world of Android optimization with a look at some of the best junk phone cleaner apps available. Let's explore 3 top contenders. Avast Cleanup Phone Cleaner. Avast Cleanup is a powerful and user-friendly cleaning application designed to optimize the performance of Android devices. It effectively scans for junk files, cache, and residual files left by uninstalled applications, freeing up valuable storage space. Additionally, it offers features like photo management to identify duplicate images and blurry photos, enabling users to keep their gallery organized. The app also includes a memory booster to enhance device performance and improve battery life, making it a comprehensive solution for maintaining an Android smartphone's efficiency. CCleaner Phone Cleaner. CCleaner is a widely recognized app renowned for its cleaning capabilities and is known for its straightforward interface. It efficiently removes unwanted files, cache, and temporary data, helping to free up space on your Android device. The app provides an overview of storage usage and memory consumption, allowing users to track performance. In addition to cleaning junk, CCleaner offers app management features to help users uninstall unused applications and optimize their device further. Overall, it is a reliable tool for maintaining the health and speed of Android devices. Phone Cleaner Master. Phone Cleaner Master is designed to enhance the performance of Android devices by removing unnecessary files and optimizing system resources. This app clears cache, junk files, and residual data from installed applications, which can accumulate over time and slow down the device. With real-time monitoring features, it helps users identify and terminate resource-hogging applications, thereby improving overall speed and battery life. Additionally, Phone Cleaner Master often includes built-in security features to help protect user privacy by managing app permissions effectively. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Avast Cleanup, CCleaner, and Phone Cleaner Master helps you find the right tool to keep your Android device running smoothly. See you next time.